What I am about to tell you today, mark my words, can completely change the direction of your life. This is the exact principle that transformed the lives of elite athletes and high performers around the world. The same mindset followed by some of the most disciplined and successful people you know. If you're watching this like any normal video and planning to leave halfway, you're free to go. There is endless content on the internet. But if you are serious about change, stay with me. Let me guess how your regular day looks. You wake up in the morning, you pick up your phone, you check messages, you scroll, you get ready, you take the same route, you go to the same place, meet the same people, do the same work, avoid some people, sit with others, finish your tasks, come back home the same way, scroll again, watch something, sleep. And you have been repeating this routine for months, maybe years. What's common in all of this? The same people, the same thoughts, the same habits, the same emotional reactions, the same content you consume. Your routine works like a computer program. You think you're making choices, but most of it is automatic. By adulthood, almost all of who we are is driven by subconscious programming. Your beliefs, your behavior, your attitude, your emotional reactions, your habits. Only a small percentage of your mind is consciously trying to change. That part says, I want to be fit. I want to be disciplined. I want to learn this new skill. I want to be successful. I want to be free. But every day you try to fight years of programming, and every day you lose. That's why you say, from tomorrow, from Monday, from next month, but nothing changes. Accept this first. If you try to fight your subconscious directly, you will lose. You are not in control the way you think you are. You are sitting in the passenger seat while your subconscious programming is driving. So should you give up? No. You don't fight a system that is stronger than you. You reprogram it. If you want to change a software, you change its source code. Your mind also has a source code, and that source code is built from repeated thoughts and emotional conditioning. Anything repeated enough becomes truth for your brain, even if it was never true. If someone constantly hears, "You're not smart," "You can't do big things," "You're average," "Money is difficult," eventually the brain accepts it. And once the brain accepts something, it creates actions that prove it right. That's how conditioning works. So the first step is changing your conditioning. But here's the important part. Your brain is no longer a child. You cannot just say something positive once and expect magic. You must choose your self-talk carefully. What you repeatedly say to yourself becomes your internal identity. Many people convince their mind, but their body never feels it. And if your body does not feel it, you will not act on it. Your brain speaks in thoughts. Your body speaks in feelings. If you cannot emotionally feel your future, you will never move toward it. Desire must turn into emotional intensity. When you feel strongly enough that something must change, your body begins to cooperate. Now understand this. Every reaction in your life begins with self-talk. Your mind does not understand positive or negative. It only understands what is repeated and emotionally reinforced. If you say, "I can't wake up early," "I'm bad at studying," "I'm not confident," "I'm not talented," your mind will create behavior to support those statements. Your words carry power. Even jokes about yourself become internal commands. So from today, you must observe your self-talk. Become aware of what you are constantly telling yourself. Replace limiting statements with empowering ones. Instead of "I'm lazy," say "I am disciplined." Instead of "I'm not smart," say "I am constantly improving." Instead of "I can't do this," say "I am learning how to do this." But don't choose affirmations that feel fake or unrealistic. Choose statements that stretch you but still feel believable. Then repeat them daily, morning and night. Speak them, write them, visualize them, feel them. When you say, "I am confident," stand like a confident person. When you say, "I am disciplined," take one disciplined action. Small actions fuel new identity. Break your big goals into small steps. If you can't study for hours, start with 25 minutes. If you can't wake up at 5 a.m., start by waking 30 minutes earlier. Each small success becomes proof, and proof strengthens belief. Belief changes behavior. Behavior repeated becomes habit. Habits reprogram your subconscious, and when your subconscious changes, your actions change automatically. Then success no longer feels forced, it feels natural. Most people won't do this consistently. That's why most people stay the same. But if you commit for 7 days, 10 days, or 21 days, you will feel the shift. Don't let this just be another video. Write something in the comments if you are serious about trying this, because once you understand the psychology behind your daily routine, you stop being controlled by it. And when you control your thoughts, you begin to control your life. Your time and your energy are your most valuable assets. Use them intentionally. Thank you for watching.